I don't really care about my reputation.
Second semester, it's a new generation.
The Cardinal can do what they want to do, and that's what we're gonna do.
And I don't really care about my bad reputation. Oh, fuck, and talk. And I don't really care about my reputation.
Never said I wanted to improve my station.
And I'm only doing good when I'm having fun.
And I don't have to please no one.
And I don't really care about my bad reputation. Oh, fuck, and talk.
Welcome back, Cards. I'm Angelina.
And I'm Pat. Today is Friday, February 16th, 2024, and you're watching
Vlog Talk.
Ange, aren't you in the upcoming production of Sound of Music?
Yeah, you're in it too, Pat.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are. You play Rolf.
No, I'm not. Shut up, Angelina.
Let's just cut to the segment.
What's up, Cards? I'm Roman Rocco, and I'm here at Thomas Worthington High School's production of Sound of Music.
Shouldn't I be doing this? I'm the student director.
No, this is my segment now. And who are you?
I'm Maria Rayner.
And what do you do in the show?
Well, I started off wanting to become a nun, but then I met these 7 children who I taught music to, and I learned that I was actually in love with their father. So I'm not going to be a nun anymore.
And what's your name?
The Reverend Mother Abbess.
And what do you do in the show?
I help Maria find her guiding path in life. Understand that it is okay for her to go off with Captain Von Trapp.
And what are your names?
I'm Liesel.
I'm Gretel.
And what do you do in the show?
I am Captain Von Trapp's daughter, and so is she. We sing. We're a family of singers. I'm the oldest, and she's the youngest. So yeah, come see the show.
You filming? No. And what's your name?
Rolf.
And what do you do in the show?
I am trying to get with Liesel.
Wow, good job. You talk good.
Thanks.
And what are your names?
Elsa Schrader.
Captain Georg von Trapp.
And what do you do in the show?
I am Captain's love interest.
I protect Austria and my children.
All right, thank you. For member cards, you can see The Sound of Music tonight and tomorrow at 8 p.m. or Sunday at 2 p.m.
Give them the link for tickets!
Oh, yeah, and this is the link for tickets. See you there.
This isn't your show!
Well, our question of the week was, what day are you going to see Sound of Music? Friday, won by a landslide.
Tickets are selling fast, so make sure you buy one while you can if you want to see me and Pat.
Ange, I'm not in Sound of Music.
Sure you aren't. Anyhow, are you going to Toby's baby shower?
Wait, Toby's pregnant?
Yeah, the due date's in March.
I have to make a call.
Okay. In the meantime, let's learn a little bit about the Family Consumer Science class offerings.
Hey Cards, I'm Toby Hamill, and today I'm getting pregnant.
So the first thing I'm gonna put on you is this right here.
Okay.
This represents the little feet that are kicking your ribs the whole time because this
Got
is
it.
9 months, right?
Right.
So
this is the final stage.
yeah, so these little things, they kick your ribs and it makes it hard to breathe, but that's
Good.
what a real baby does.
Good.
So it's gonna
Okay.
be tight. Pull that right there, and I'm gonna come around. So you're gonna feel that pretty much the whole time.
Oh, good.
Yep.
All right. Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, it's actually perfect. Now give me the baby mama pose where you do one on top, one on bottom, you do like a little knee out like this. Oh yeah.
So we're gonna go. We're gonna go say hi to Mr. Branzo, I think. Oh God. Oh my God.
When do you do? That's probably like
Eighth period. At the end of eighth period.
Close.
Yeah. I mean, you should thank your wife. This is terrible. Oh, you did this, didn't you?
I did do it, so I better understood and can empathize with her.
Oh God.
I lasted about 3 periods before I kept having to sit down because I got too tired.
I can say that.
Have you tried running at all?
No, I should do that. All right, Kaya, you ready? Oh God. I've had this on for like 10 minutes and I already hate it. I don't ever want to get pregnant. I think the weirdest part about this is the boobs. This is terrible.
Get out! We don't deal with pregnant people here.
When will the pain and suffering end? I guess when I'm due in 2 hours. Why do I do things for this show?
The next day.
All right, so it is the next day. I hated that. That was terrible. I didn't like having the baby. I forgot to record all of the time that I had the baby. It was terrible. That thing cried like every 15 minutes. I couldn't tell what it wanted. Tried to like change its diaper. It's still crying, and it just gets louder and louder and louder. It never stops, and I struggled. I'm not gonna lie to you, I did. I woke up so many times during the night. I didn't sleep like at all. And there's something about a small baby crying, waking you up in the middle of the night that just sends pure rage through your spine and back and chest and muscles and head and legs and feet. Now we're gonna go see Miss Ward and we're gonna get my scores. So let's go do that.
Oh, you did a great job.
Wonderful.
You did a great job. I could tell that you were very attentive because your baby only cried for 32 total minutes.
Wow.
So you were like right there,
Okay.
ready to go whenever
Great.
baby Kiki needed you. It looks like we had a little bit of a struggle from the 10 o'clock hour to the 11 o'clock hour.
Okay, got it.
We missed some things there, just 4 things, which
Okay.
is really good. Real parents don't attend to their baby every single time. Like
Right.
if you're in the car, if you're in the shower.
Yeah.
Nobody's perfect.
I did stop while I was driving.
Smart.
To feed baby Kiki,
you
so I did.
I did. That's extra credit.
Yeah,
Actually.
wonderful. Thank you.
Yeah. So we want to also look over here. You had 0 shaken baby syndrome. Fantastic.
That's
Babies,
wonderful.
Yeah, do not like to be shaken.
Yeah.
You supported her head every single time.
Great.
And that's the one that always comes back with the highest number. That's the hardest
Okay,
to do.
got
the
it.
fact that you had 0 is like really good.
Perfect.
Basically, all in all, this would be 100% parenting. So great
I
job.
did it.
Yeah, dad of the year,
Wonderful.
honestly.
Thank you so much. I'm so happy about that.
How did you feel?
And we're gonna need to wrap this up. Me and Toby need to have a serious conversation. I gotta split soon.
Oh, split? Like bowling?
Here's Willa and Gwyneth with the bowling team on Sports Report.
I'm Willa Woodland, and I'm here at the Columbus Square Bowling Palace interviewing the Thomas bowling team. Who am I here with?
Coach Hannah.
How long have you been coaching?
This is my 3rd year.
Who am I here with?
Danica.
What grade are you in?
I'm a senior.
How long have you been bowling?
3 years.
Would you recommend bowling for Thomas? Why?
I would recommend it because it's fun hanging out with the team.
Who am I here with?
I'm Josh Innes.
What grade are you in?
I'm a senior.
How long have you been bowling?
Ever since middle school, so like 6 years.
Would you recommend bowling for Thomas?
Yeah, I'd really recommend it. It's a chilled, laid-back sport. You can get a little competitive at times too. People don't expect that, but it can.
How would you join if you wanted to join the bowling team?
Contacting one of us coaches. We also have information online on the TWHS website.
Who am I here with?
Lena.
How long have you been bowling, and what grade are you in?
I'm a junior. Just started.
Would you recommend bowling for this team?
Pretty fun, yeah. Everybody's pretty nice and supportive.
Don't forget, next week is Black History Month Spirit Week.
Here are the themes.
It's Black History Month.
Black History Month.
Black History Month.
Black History Month. Black History Month.
Black History Month.
Black History Month.
Black History Month. It's Black History Month. Black History Month.
Black History Month. Black History Month.
It's Black History Month. It's Black History Month. Of course I'm going to participate in this Spirit Week.
It's Black History Month. Of course we're not coming to school on Monday. It's Black History Month. Of course I'm going to dress as my favorite decade on Tuesday.
It's Black History Month. Of course, I'm dressing as my favorite character or celebrity on Wednesday.
It's Black History Month. Of course I'm going to be dressing as a senior citizen on Thursday.
It's Black History Month. Of course, I wear black on Friday.
It's Black History Month. Of course I'll be at the Culture at Spanish show on Thursday, February 22nd at 7 p.m. Be there.
That's all we have for this week.
And remember, it's always a great day to be a Cardinal.